this site, whatever you are seeing is called as a web element. This is a web element. This is a web element. This is web element. This is web element. This is everything. Each and everything is a web element in this. So identifying them is known as object identification. How will identify? By seeing their backend attribute. So what is the backend attribute of this web element? So for that, if you do right click, inspect, you will find the code. This is known as what code? This is known as HTML code, right? So by seeing their HTML code, you can identify, that is known as object identification. Understood?
Yeah.
Now,
Hello.
ah,
Sir.
clear, right? What is object
Yeah.
identification? Understood, right? So for
Yeah.
identifying that, we have so many locators. So apart from this, there are so many other locators are available. So we'll discuss that when it will come. Okay. So initially we'll see these four locators. So first is ID. Then ID you will find in the HTML code only that I will show you. So ID name you will find there. If ID name is not there, you have to go for either XPath or CSS. Okay. So first we'll see XPath, then later I'll show you what is CSS. XPath, again, if someone will ask what is XPath, what do you say? It is a locator. It's a locator used to identify web elements. Again, it are of two types. One is absolute, one is relative. Like a difference, normal they ask in the interview. What is that and all, we'll do in practical. Relative XPath. So absolute XPath from root node to child node. Okay, note it down, we'll discuss. Done?
1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. Now, so for identifying, see here, if you do right click inspect, you can see the HTML code, but you can't do evaluate and all. For that, you need some tool. So if you're using Chrome, then you have to download this tool. It is a ChroPath, CHRO, ChroPath.
This crop path comes to Selenium, sir.
Yes, not Selenium. It is an
Mm.
tool for web elements. Yeah, this identifying web elements.
Okay.
Okay. So you can go this. So you can see download. So mine is already there. You will find it. Just try it once. Anyone using laptop?
I'm using.
Okay. Can you share a screen, Satam? I'll show you how to do. You want to identify only first name. So simply you do right click, inspect. Then here you can see the code only. But if I click here crow path,
Mm.
if I see here crow path, I can able to see this. You can write here. You can see,
Yes, sir.
you can write. Now we'll see how to write the X path. Uh, See, whatever X path we write, that is called a relative X path. So difference you will find, let's say when we'll go for the big one, I'll show you what is the difference between whatever theory you have written, right? That we'll discuss later. So first we'll see how to write a X path. So X path syntax. Syntax is it will start with a double slash HTML tag, then square bracket, at the rate, attribute equal to. You can use your double quote or single quote, but better to practice with a single quote. So this is the syntax of an XPath. Now, how will we identify this attribute, values, HTML tag, and all that? So do you people know HTML?
A little bit, sir.
Okay. What about Sai?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
Yes.
Every HTML code always starts with like this.
Okay.
This bracket. Then you will find here HTML tag. Then one space. Then you will find attribute equal to value. So maybe one attribute values or n number of attribute values or no attribute values. It depends. But HTML code will be pakka. Okay. Then it will close like this. Some will be start like this. Then it is closed temporarily and you will find here some text. Then again up.
మెంట్లోడ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ప్రవర్తిస్తుందా
So understood this too? So after this bracket, whatever is there that is called as an HTML tag. Then space attribute value. Now here, if I want to identify this first name, See here, what is the attribute?
తిక్కులోడు కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాడా?
D plus.
Hmm? See, once I am identifying this one, let's say this first name, right click inspect. You can see here it is getting highlighted.
Okay.
Particular code will be highlighted. So what is the HTML tag in this? After this bracket, whatever is there, that is called as an HTML. So input is the HTML tag. Then you will find here space. Then type equal to text. Type is what? It's an attribute. And text is the value for this type attribute. Similarly, placeholder is an attribute. Class is an attribute. ng model is an attribute. And these are the values for that attribute. Okay?
Yes.
Similarly, if I say this email, what is the HTML tag?
Image ID.
Not ID. ID is attribute.
Okay. Image is the tag.
And Z is the
ID.
HTML. Similarly, what is the HTML tag?
Input.
Input. What is the HTML tag?
Select.
What is the HTML tag?
Label.
Label. So it is automatically getting highlighted that part. No need to search. Okay. Now if you will come to this syntax. So first is double slash HTML tag and attribute values. You can take any attribute value. Okay, first you write it down this one. Yeah?
Minute, sir.
No need to write that HTML part.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So are you getting or not getting?
Yes, sir, I'm getting.
Okay. Now let's say I want to identify this first name. Simply do right click, inspect. It is getting highlighted. So first we'll write double slash HTML tag. What is the HTML tag in this?
Input.
Then square bracket @ symbol, attribute and values. Now selecting from the attribute values, you have to work for that. Practice once you do, you'll come to know which attribute you have to take. So let's say I'm taking type equal to text. So simply I say here type equal to text. If you say enter, you will find here matching node, 2 matching elements. Okay, but we need a single matching, one matching, two matching if in there. So after this, what is the use of this XPath? XPath use is first we will identify this one, then we will say dot write there, right? Or write in this. So it will get confused. If there are two, where to write? So always you have to give a single one. It should be always one element matching. Okay. Now how to make this? Say type equal to text, it is not coming. So I have to go for some other attribute values. Here I am getting a one element matching. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is easy. I mean, if you do practice, it is very easy.
Okay.
Similarly, let's say even I can do here also. Here clicking, then again you come means you can able to identify. Now here, what is the HTML tag? Input. This is the same tags @ Now type equal to tell you can take, or class is very big, so no need to take, or ng model equal to form. Let's say I'm taking ng model equal to form. So we recommended better to copy from here because sometimes space, uppercase, lowercase, you will miss out means it will not come. Exactly what is there you have to write. I'm getting a one element magic.
Hmm.
So what is the HTML tag? Select. Happy rate. Now let's say ID is there, so I'll take ID. Getting?
Yes.
So like this, you can practice in this complete page or not.
Yeah.
I said this one I want to select. Input ID equal to this. See, it is relative to export, automatically it is giving. But you no need to copy here. So first you type. First you should know because see, today whatever you learn now, tomorrow the concept will get changed.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So practice you have to do it. Without practice, no use. It will become a Chinese movie. Hmm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yeah.
So today you do practice in this only. Okay, I'm not taking much today. So first you practice this one. This complete page I want tomorrow. No need of this one. This one we'll discuss tomorrow. This part. Only this box is one. Each and everything you have to do practice. This box, everything. Okay, and take it in a notepad.
Oh,
And check. Understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Syntaxes. Syntax you have taken, right?
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then so see you tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, so you know how to identify this all this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Or any doubt you can ask me.
no, sir.
No.
No, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say I want to identify this one. One. Let's say I want to identify this one. Its full name. You can see here it is only one attribute, right?
Yeah.
So what will be the XPath? Double slash label.
Label, comma, at class.
I'm getting 13 elements missing. Almost all are in level. कोई भी चलेगा. So now you can see here only one attribute, and we won't take this XPath equal to 1. We won't take. So now how to identify such things? Such cases we have to go for XPath functions.
first function is any visible text in the UI. UI means user interface. This is the syntax, / HTML tag text function equal to so this is what used to identify visible text. Now how we come to know it is a visible text? You can see here this is now outside of this bracket. It's a pre kind of word. It means this text will be visible in the UI. But if something you are seeing here, don't predict that it will be visible. You have to see the HTML code. If the HTML code is like this, then it is a visible. Like the code will be like this. And then you'll find here some text. Then again it open. So we say this part is a visible text in the UI. If the code is like this, then you can use this text function. Now same text function I'll use. I can see here it is like this. So what I'll do, so we'll say text.
Sure.
Now I'll apply. Similarly, email address. You can see here it's a visible text. We can write it. Let's just skip. So how the text is there, that like uppercase, lowercase, that you have to do it. Identify one element. Select a country. Anything you can do. You can see here this is also an visible text, and you can do it. And it's also label and password. And clear?
Yes, sir.
So text is a function which is used to identify a visible text in the UI. But it has a demerits or disadvantage. What is that? Let's say this one. So you have to give the complete string, right? So I'm giving this function. But see here, I'm getting 0 element. But if I just see the changes here, after this star, some space is there here. So if I give here space, then it will work. Getting?
Yes.
So it means if the text function not work. Understood? So
Yes.
for that case, we have to go for one more function that is called second function called normalize hyphen space function. So this also used to identify any visible text in the UI and can omit the space before or after the string. Before and after, then better to go for normalized space. If there is no space, then text function is the best function. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So, but here you need to provide complete string. The string values only you have to provide. Okay. So we have one more advanced function called the contains function. What is this used? It is used to identify the visible text and can omit the string after omit the space before and after the string, and can provide part of the string. Can provide part of the string. Now syntax is double slash HTML tag contains text part of the string. Okay. Now let's just use a full name. So you simply use a full name. Here identity. Let's say email address. Fine.
Yeah.
Understood how to do this?
Yeah.
This is the advanced function, contains function. Okay, taking this, then I'll show you in Flipkart. Done.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, right.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay, then we practice now 1, 2. Try in your system.
Oh,
Okay.
Coming, right?
Yes, right.
1 second. Yes, sir.
There, right? It's coming.
Yeah.
That's why I want to identify this layer of that. Because your class is given, but maybe you will get so many minutes. Just try it out that. Positive HTML tag is AI.
Indeed.
How many nothing? All the name of the product will be happening same. So such cases, what you do, you have to go for content text, or you can go for normalized text. But its string is very big. Okay. So better to go for content text. Simply I say here contents
Text.
text. So and don't take this part of the string, right? So don't take Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy if you take, you will get
So many.
so many messages. So you have to take something else.
A33 files.
Something I have taken. See, one element of I am getting. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See, it's look like very easy. Okay.
So,
Why it is look like easy? Because it's coming, one content text it is coming. Sometimes what will happen, there will be two matching will be there. Same name with same specification. Okay. only something will be there. Here are some blue is written. So there somewhere it will be written. Or if you find it. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to practice in this. Today you practice with this name, like content text directly. Then tomorrow I'll show you this link of these two. How to link these two. Means name, if name is this, then the price should be this. If name is this, then offer should be this. The name of this, then specification should be this. So that you will see there is a little bit advance of this. Okay. So first you want to identify this all these names. So try to do maximum 50 to 60, 70 in this Flipkart.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you first you practice there, then you come to this side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Chalo then, huh? Practice
Okay.
this.
Yes.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
No, sir. Good morning.
So any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So you know how to identify this one, right?
Yes.
Name of the product. Okay. Now we'll see how to identify these names.
Okay.
See, the theory we have written, right? That absolute X path and relative X path. See
Yes,
what
sir.
yeah, what is that absolute X path says? It starts from root node to child node.
Child node.
Yeah. So let's say if I want to identify this one, if you see this absolute X path, it starts from root node HTML1. Means if you see this HTML code, it starts from here. HTML1, then body 1, then div, then div, like that. So it is going till the end. If you see here, the last one, this last div one is the product of the name of the product. So it always starts from the root node to child node. Okay. But we won't take that because let's say this product will change. It will change means the position will change, right? So you have to identify that web element with that web HTML tag, like whatever we did yesterday. That is called as a relative XPath. Relative always starts from that HTML tag. Where it starts from there, it takes.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now, now we say if you want to go to the parent HTML tag, then we have to use this. Go to parent HTML tag, and this symbol indicates go to child HTML tag. Square bracket means go to the parent HTML tag, slash means go to child HTML tag. Just write it down these two. Now, what we'll do with the help of absolute XPath, we'll make the relative XPath. Now, how to do that? See here, let's say this is the product and I want to check whether this product 8 GB RAM or 120 GB RAM is there or not. Let's say you want to identify this specification is there or not. But for that, what you have to do, For that, see, in this case, you have to identify the independent and dependent relation. Why you need that? Let's say today they have given this mobile name, and tomorrow, let's say this got changed, but specification they forgot to change. So you have to catch it in the testing process, right? So such cases, if you have not done that, what it will pass it, because here you have taken this one as a reference, and then it will pass, but this will got changed. So in this case, in this complete model, let's say specification, pricing, offer, the review, assured or not, the photographs, everything depend on the name of the product. So when we say name of the product, it's an independent element, and whatever is there, it is an depend to this name. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
So always the product name will be an independent one. Now what I'll do, first I'll identify an independent one, then I make a relation between this and this, means dependent one. Okay. Now we'll see this how to do that. Let's say I'm identifying this one. So first you take the absolute X path of this. This symbol you can copy the X path. If you click it, it will copy. Now come here and paste it. Simply I have pasted it. Now go to the dependent one, which one you want to identify. Let's say I want to identify this 8 GB one. Again, you copy the absolute X path and just paste below it. So this is what independent element element. This is the dependent element. Clear? So this one, the last one is the independent element. Similarly, this one is the dependent element. Now, in these two, which one is the common element or a common HTML tag? You can see here HTML1 is same, body same, div A1, A2 same, A1, 2 same,
Until there.
till this same. After
Hmm.
that, it's different. It is something like you can see div1, then it will be d1, d1, then d1, and this one will be next one. Means okay, after d1, this d1 will be common, then it will be d2, d2, then ul, then li. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the common part. Means if you will make a marking here, so this, then it will come here like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just independent name and change it. IE, let's say independent element, because this is space is not coming. Independent element. Okay. So in this, so the common element is this one. This one is the common element. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you see the diagram, it will be like this. D1, then B1, this B2, UL, then LI. Okay. So the diagram, if you see the tree structure, it will be like this. This from here it is going. Yes or no? This one. This is this. So here this one is the independent element. Independent element, and this one will be the dependent element. Correct.
Yes.
So what I'll do, first I'll identify this one, then I'll go to the parent to reach the common parent. So this is what it's a common parent. This one is known as common parent. Clear?
Yeah.
So what I'll do, first I'll identify this one. I know how to identify this one. This one means double slash div. Then I can use your content, text or whatever. Text and the text, the name of the product or something. Then what I have to do, I have to go to their parent. I have to go back, right? You can see here it is derived from there. So I have to go back. Back means what I have to do? I have to put, means you have to go to the parent, right? So it will be square bracket and the square bracket. This is the parent, and I have to write here you are doing is difficult. Okay, normally what I'll do, I'll just space like this. Space. Then I say here div, then text of this and define this one. Then I have to go to the parent to reach the common parent. So simply I put this square bracket. Means this complete one I need to go to the parent, right? So I
Yes.
have covered this square bracket. From there I need to go to this parent. So that parent is div. Now I reach the common parent, right? To div I went to the parent. Now from here to here, that is a child which is going next, right? So it is a child relation. So how to go to the child? We have a syntax called slash. Slash div slash ul slash li. Li again you can use your contents, text, the text map. Understood or not understood?
Yeah. Understood.
This look like easy. Okay. So first you need to identify your independent one. make the relation between the independent and dependent. Then you go to these desired level, like how many are there? Let's say 3, 4, 5 calls a common parent. You have to go parent, 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 parent of that. Then you have to come child, 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 like that. The same process I will follow here. Okay. Let's say this product. Okay, let it be this one. So I'll just make it short. So it's identifying one matching element. Now, as per this Excel sheet, as per this one, I need to go to the one parent. So you can see here, I'll put here square bracket is completely. Then before that, div. Now you can see here it is got changed, the layout got changed. Then
Yeah.
from there, I need to come div ul li. So it's a slash div is changing. Then slash ul and slash li. Li again, I'm getting so many one. So
Yes.
there I can use here again contains
Content text.
text of 8 GB. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do one more.
Yeah.
For example, I want to identify this 30% off. 30% off means first I need to see the independent product.
Independent.
So simply click save. I'll take the absolute X path of that. Then I have to take this 30% off. Take the absolute X path. Now you can see here A1, D2.
LDU2.
It
D2.
is D2. It
Yes.
means after identifying, I have to go to parent
Yes.
to reach the common parent. Common parent only you have to take for the independent element. Dependent no need to take the common parent.
Okay.
Okay.
So independent I have to take the common parent. So D2. So it means 1, 2. 2 div I need to go. So let me identify first this name of the product. This is it is evening. So it is identifying. Then I have to go to parent I need to go. So 2 square bracket I land it. In the beginning I said div square bracket, again div square bracket. I reach the 2 common parent.
Yes.
Now see
Slash.
highlighting. Then from there I need to come. See this D2 already I have taken from the parent one. So the independent one. So no need to take from the dependent one. So from after that, after
D2.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 4 div, then span. So simply I'll write here 4 div slash div
D slash
slash div
D
slash
slash
div.
D.
No need indexes also. Slash
Yes.
div 4 div, then
Span.
span. It is.
Yes.
You want to make more specific, you can use content text, or if it is coming, then leave it.
Okay.
This will not fail.
Okay.
Easy.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You want to try once?
Yeah.
Okay, you try the same one, or okay, same one only you try. Who want to try? Chetan want to try?
Me, sir.
No, who wants to try? Sai, Sarvan, who want? Who is having laptop?
I have the laptop,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, then say. Then I want to identify 29,000. Just paste it below. So till this D2
Yes, sir.
S7. So what I'll do, a few deep I need to go after identifying. This one, just remove something. Identify. So I need to go to the
D.
identify. Then I can take after this. I can take from here to till end.
Yes.
Identify.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have done as of now. We have done till this. Now let's say I'll go inside of this. Okay. Now in this product, I want to identify whether it is a dual SIM or not. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll identify this one. Same process.
Okay.
Now see here, D1, body 1, D1, D1, D3, D1, D2. Till this they are same.
Yes.
Till this it is a common. Okay. So
Yes.
it means I need to identify this span. Then I have to say 1, 2, H1, D1. Okay, I'll take like this. The process is same. So I'll take span of class I can take because it's a single product. So no need of content text, directly you can say here at the rate class equal to
BNC.
this. So it is identifying. Now I need to go to this parent. So what I have to do, I have to declare this. Means instead of writing, I just because its length is too lengthy.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can see here. Then what I have to do, I have to identify till this. Then next I need to take. Then next to till the end. It is identified,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
but you can see here this X path length is very big, or you can say the relation what it is taking, it is very big. I'll just copy this. Clear?
Yes,
So this one only took, right? Identify this one, then went to their parent, then coming child till this last child. So here you can use contains text of dual sim, something is there now. So dual, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we did, we identified something, then we went to their parent, their parent. So from this div and this span, what is the relation? Is a so for forefathers, right? So this relation you said, these are this you and monkey, what is the relation? It is the ancestors, right? Similarly, this pan and this div, they have an ancestor relation. Means what I will identify. See, it's identifying from there. I need to go to the ancestors. So you can say slash ancestor double colon. If I say ancestor double colon of div, what it is doing? It is going to the monkey level. Means it is going to this div. It is going to this div.
Okay.
From span, it is going to this div. But I want to go not so far. This div it is going. I want to go some extent, right? So H1 is 1 is there, then div1, div1, div2, div2. So till this I have to go. So how many divs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth div I need to go. So simply I'll give here index number 4. What I said, I identified, then I said when to go to my ancestor of D4. In fourth generation you want to go. From there, you have to say like so many D, then you have to go li content of this, right? So it means from this div to this one li, it is called as a descendant. So you say slash descendant double colon li. See, if I say descendant double colon li, I'll get so many matching. All li's I'll get it here, including that. You can see here. So then there you can write contains getting.
Yes.
It's look easy, right? But for that you have to do practice for that this kind. Then only you can do it. Oh, okay, I'll do one more. So just write it down the syntax of descendant. So HTML tag slash ancestor double colon HTML tag. What it will do? Skip all the parent and the desired similarly Noted down these two lines. Then I'll show you.
దత్తాత్రేయ స్వామిని దర్శించి నృసింహ స్వామి వారి పాత్రని దర్శించిన వారికి దత్తాత్రేయ స్వామి ఉత్తరంలో ఎన్నో వెంటనే ఉంటాడని భక్తుల నమ్మకం. మీకు కూడా ద్వారకాకు శ్రీ దత్తక్షేత్ర దర్శన భాగ్యం కలగాలని కోరుకుంటూ శ్రీ దత్తాత్రేయ స్వామి విద్యార్థులను సదా మిమ్మల్ని అనుగ్రహించాలని ఆకాంక్షిస్తూ మరో పుణ్యక్షేత్ర కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రయత్నంతో అంతవరకు సెలవు. నమస్కారం. కార్యక్రమాన్ని సమర్పించిన వారు మా ప్రజలుగా ఆనందపడుతూ అనుకున్నది శాస్త్ర పరిష్కారం
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Let's set this mobile name into identify. Let's set this battery. Okay. I'll just check here whether this. Okay. This message is there or not.
Okay, sir.
So what I have to do?
Select. Yes.
I have to identify this one. Take the absolute expert. Without absolute expert, you can't identify. Take this absolute expert. Similarly, you can see here this T2, they are same. This T2. So entering span, then 4D H1. It's identifying.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll say here, this is a ancestor I need to go because back means going to parent means ancestor. So this ancestor of how many deeps? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 deep I need to go.
Ancestor.
So slash ancestor double, sorry. Before, from there I need to say all descendant of deep. Then slash descendant double column deep. See, you can have content text or you can have any attribute values also you can write.
Super.
Yes, that one. It's not highlighting, but it is identifying.
Mm.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So look easy, but you have to do practice.
Okay.
Chetan, you have not done practice. That is basic. That one you have to do it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, if people can do practice, I want you to stock up. Then only you'll learn more. But you are not doing practice that much. Sarvam did practice, but not much. Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm listen class in mobile, sir.
Practice?
Last 2 days sessions. I don't.
Not practice that.
Yes, sir.
Hey, practice is important in this. So only I am taking very less.
Okay.
Only small part I am taking. You will not understand that problem. You will understand it later.
Okay.
Why it is so much important. In Selenium now 80% is this.
Huh?
80% is this concept only. If this is clear, then Selenium is very easy.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you will not able to. It is something like no. The post peon delivering a letter to your address. There are two Sai or two Chetan is there. So how they will deliver? So sometimes they will take the some landmark. Sometimes they will take the reference of your parents. Sometimes they will take the reference of your grandparents.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then again, next one topic is left, that is siblings. Fallen sibling and preceding sibling, but you do first you do practice in this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's what I said. I'll come to know whether you're practicing or not because I said you to send me message if you'll not get that.
Okay, sir.
It means you're not practicing means no messages. Otherwise, pakka message will come. Okay, anyway, practice this till this. Okay, ancestor descendant. Understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till this you do practice.
Okay.
So tomorrow the class is not there. So Saturday we'll meet up. The same timing only.
Okay.
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 Saturday we'll make it around 9 o'clock.
Yeah, fine, sir. Anytime is
Fine,
fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, chalo. because it is written here address, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we are doing, we are simply identifying this one. Let's say a developer, they will change this address to something else, but still your code will go and it will identify address here, right? So to avoid such confusion, what we'll do, if address, then you identify this one. If email address, then you identify this. So how to do that? First, what we'll do, we'll identify the address. For address, it is identifying content text or something. Address, it is identifying. Now you see here, this is address, and next to that, it is the that box, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see here this HTML tag, and it is in same line. Getting or not getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means these two are sample, means if both have a common parent. So both are common parent, right? If you click this, it will go inside. If I expand, it will get here these two. Means we are here now. We want to come there. That is what? These both have a common parent. Either you can go to the parent, from there you can come like this. You can go to this parent. Then you can come back there. This also you can do. Instead of doing that, what we say, as both are having a common parent, it means these both are sibling. Both have a common parent means both are sibling. So we are there in the first sibling, we have to go to the next sibling of that. For that we use slash following hyphen sibling double colon div. See, let's say this email address is there, you have to identify this one. So email address identified. This is the email address. You can see here. Next is the sibling. Again, there are two siblings are
Two
there.
siblings.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So we want to go to this sibling. So this is what the following sibling slash. So here you need to see the HTML code structure. Even there also parent child we used to identify that HTML structure only, right?
Yes.
Following sibling double colon div. When I say div, they are getting two matching elements. In that I need to go to the first one. Getting
Yes, sir.
the filters. That is double slash HTML tag slash sibling double colon HTML tag. Write it down. What is this? To identify next sibling. Similarly, we have instead of following, we will use preceding. Preceding means previous sibling. To identify previous sibling. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's say I want to identify this cricket. This one I want to identify. So you identify this one. You can see this is the cricket. Now it is the previous sibling. Both are in same parent. Now you want to go back. So you can say there is a previous sibling. You can see here. This is getting changed, right? So this is the previous sibling. So slash preceding hyphen sibling input. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now how this is useful in pick article. Okay. Now we'll identify like this. If mobile name is this one and price is this, or you like this, we will do. First we'll see if this mobile name is this one and it is 17.2 cm the display, then battery should be 5000 mAh. Earlier we used to go two, right? Name and this specification. Now we'll see name, this specification, then this specification should be there. Okay. Okay. Anyway, it is identified here. I'll just make shorter. So this is the name of the product. From there, I want to come to this, identifying this one, this second, then third. So either you can go to the following sibling of this one, or you have to go to parent, then coming here. Okay, following sibling something if you use, no, it will be very long because inside you have to go. Correct. Or you can go. Okay, I'll show you one how to go there. So simply you can say, okay, as of now what you studied, like you want to go back, then coming here. Okay, so first we'll do that one, then I'll show you how to go in a. It's a different ways of identifying. It is div. Now I'm here, so you want to go 1, 2, 3, third one. So slash div3. Now we reach here div3. Then if you will expand that, you will get ul slash ul slash li. It is identifying this one, right? So you want to go 17.2 centimeter. Okay. So simply I'll use here
0.2.
sorry 7.02.
Yes.
Identifying. Okay. If you see here expanding this, I'm identifying this one. From there you want to come to this 5000 range. That is what following sibling. Okay. So you say slash following hyphen sibling double colon li. Only li means you will get after that all three. After that all three. So in that you want to go to this 5000 mAh battery. So there again you can use you can remove this three indexes also. Only. So what we identified this one, then went to their parent, from there were to go to this child, reach this one, then from there following sibling of this. This is one way. Another way we'll see. Identifying this one, remove this. From there I want to go the third one. Means a following sibling. So slash dot second number. Then you can say even slash above. Then you can use this one. So you see the structure of the HTML. Based on that, you need to do it. It is identified. Again, we have to use here. And fine.
Yeah.
So based on the relation, you need to decide how to use.
Okay, sir.
To cut out this, you can try it. Multiple ways you need to do it.
Okay.
Why multiple ways to do? To see the like the performance. Which one will be going in better way. Okay, take this. I think it's not correct.
Done?
Yeah, done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
one
one
more
more
is
is
there.
there.
They
They
will
will
ask
ask,
us, let's
let's
say
say
after
after
this,
this,
how
how
many
many
input
input
HTML
HTML
tags
tags
are
are
available?
available?
Okay,
Okay,
after
after
this
this
first
first
element.
element.
Okay.
So
So
you
you
first
first
identify
identify
this
this
element.
element.
So
So
after
after
this,
this,
I
I
want to
want to
check
check
how
how
many
many
inputs
inputs
are
are
there.
there.
Okay, you
You
can
can
simply
simply
say
say
slash
slash
following
following
double
double
column
column
input.
input.
So
So
12
12
elements are
elements are
there
there
input
input
HTML
HTML
tag.
tag.
Right.
Okay,
These
these
are
are
all
all
inputs.
inputs.
Similarly, how
Similarly, how
many
many
label
label
are
are
there
there
after
after
this?
this?
Hence
Hence
your
your
8
eight.
element method. Write it down. Clear?
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Yeah, sorry.
Descendant.
This is object identification. You
Okay.
know how to identify the web element. Initially, we started with the at the rate, then attribute values, right? That is web element. Then by text or by content or whatever the functions we use, and we use to identify the single web element. Then sometimes with the help of parent, sometimes with the help of child, we need to identify the web element. Then sometimes when parents is very big, then we'll go for ancestors. When child is very big, we'll go for descendant. Again, sometimes with the help of siblings, like it can be preceding or can be following sibling. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we'll discuss about some interview questions about this object identification. So first you practice in this following sibling and preceding siblings. Uh, Okay, take this diagram, and this is the complete object identification. You have to identify an object with a different this. Taken?
Oh, yes, sir. We're done, sir.
Okay. Today we'll practice in this. Tomorrow we'll discuss the interview questions.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo then, see you tomorrow.